Alright guys, here we are using the Ray-Bans on the bike. We have 30 seconds to do this. So how do things sound? There's a lot of wind rushing around, a lot of city noise. Let's see. In the upper right hand corner of my eye, I can see a little light that tells me, hey, I'm recording right now. So at least I know and other people around me know that I am filming on the glasses. Still at this point, I don't know if it's using the right or left lens, because there are two. Now, unfortunately, I've been having a lot of connectivity issues with the glasses. I haven't been able to get the Bluetooth music paired up properly. It did have some audible weird errors, which I did not like whatsoever. So unless they can fix this, and by the way, I did use the update, unless they can fix this, this is something that's not going to be working out for me. So what do you guys think so far? Just walking around, we have some light right in front of us. There's a lot of dynamic light happening right here, so this is the kind of movements I would normally be doing with a camera in my hand, just looking back and forth. Does this look weird? I know this is perfectly daylight, so it shouldn't. It should be perfect. So for these, but at least I can still take photos and video by pressing the button. It's just annoying that this continually disconnects from Bluetooth and does create some audio issues. It's not something that I'm looking forward to having to handle. This should have been handled with the update on day one. If you live in New York City, you have to have your head on a swivel, basically checking around, is somebody gonna hit you with a car? Is a bike gonna hit you? Is many different things gonna happen? So while you're filming, you're swinging your head back and forth, at least in the city here, just to make sure you don't run into anybody and things are happening. What does that motion look like when you're trying to record something? Maybe a little bit gimmicky. I've made a few 30-second videos so far. I'm hoping that the battery would kind of last, but this is one of the first products that I've only spent maybe 48 hours with, and I'm already thinking about returning it. I have a regular pair of sunglasses, I have multiple cameras and video cameras, and maybe they'll just do a better job. It's gonna be really relevant what this footage looks like. The way I'm swinging around, looking around the city, who knows? So one more thing that's interesting is that right now, here I'm wearing the sunglasses. If it's dark outside, you can't wear the sunglasses. So I'm gonna pull them up here. Maybe you still get the audio, but right now you're looking at the apartments above me, which makes the film really not usable. So you have to have the sunglasses on. You can't just have them maybe around your neck. I know your jaw would kind of get in the way. I don't know, I'm trying this out here in real time. Also checking to see how many short 30-second recordings we can do before this battery dies. I'm gonna upload these all in the stream so you can see exactly what this looks like. But swing it up, swing it down. That does change what you guys are seeing, what I'm seeing. So these at $300 plus tax, what do you think exactly the pricing would be? Is this too much for you? These are more than a pair of AirPods, even the premium ones. If you're just looking for music, you can find video cameras that would have a higher resolution, I think for less as well. I don't know. I'm not sure if this is worth it. Alright guys, so this has been Matt for Creative. If you have any questions or comments, put in the comments section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Right now I'm training myself to not move my head around and just my eyes, so the camera doesn't swing too much. I feel weird. It is a beautiful day here in the city. I'm kind of trying to I'm seeing if my head can act like a tripod with a swivel head to kind of go back smoothly and not get a bunch of jerky moments on the camera. So would I recommend these glasses? No, I don't think so. I think they have connectivity issues. The recording is too small. It should be 16:9 just so I can use it. For me, it's not for me, and then these are probably going to be returned.